Would you like to protect your account and your workflow data? Well, let me show you how with two-factor authentication. Hey Jotformers, welcome back. I'm Kimberly, and like I mentioned, if you want to protect your account and your workflow data, you can absolutely do that with two-factor authentication. With 2FA enabled, you can verify your identity beyond a password to ensure only trusted access. Enable 2FA from your account settings in just a few clicks. It's easy to implement and doesn't interrupt your workflow, keeping your organization secure without sacrificing your productivity. Whether you are managing approvals or assigning tasks or collecting sensitive data, 2FA helps protect every step by requiring double verification through your password, plus a unique verification code sent to your device, like the Authenticator app, before account access is granted. It helps block unauthorized access attempts and keeps your user data, payment info, and business processes safe. And it's as simple as that. If you have any questions about using 2FA, let us know down below. If you like this video and you got some value, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you get a notification every time we put out a new video. I'll see you next time.